Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Reader Secrets. I'm Diana Raseri, tarot reader, Reiki healer, and a life coach. So welcome to my channel. So today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Cancer. Okay, so yes, I'm not going by the rules of the zodiac sign, how it comes. So it's a request for someone that I should do a Cancer's reading. So yeah, today I'm doing a short guided reading for the month of June. So Cancer, zodiac signs people, this goes the reading for you, okay? So let's see what is there. So before I start the reading, I would like to say that this is a general reading, so it might resonate with some people, it might not resonate. If it resonates, please take those and others just leave it aside. And if you want to have a proper reading, you have to book my sessions by online or have, video reading. If you're not from my city, you can contact me. My number is given on my video. You can see a number, phone number, where you can always get in touch with me. Okay, so whenever we have one-to-one session, the reading comes out very, very accurate. So okay, you might not be able to visible my cards, but I'm going to show you, okay, each and every card, and I'm going to explain you about the whole thing. So anyway, Cancer people, I know that a lot of the Cancer's characters are they're very, very intuitive, very caring people, okay, and many of the Cancer people are also in the field of like energy healing. They might be a tarot reader, they might be a healer, a lot to do with the energy, okay. So some might be teachers, some might be doctors also. So Cancer zodiac sign. So let's see for the month of June what is there for you. As I know, like June, Cancer falls on the date of birth of June 21st. Many of the Cancer who is going to watch my reading, I would like to wish you a happy birthday before ahead as your birthday arrives in the month of June, right? So let's see what is there for you, Cancer, for the month of June. If you believe in angels, please get connected to the angels or any god or goddesses, whoever you pray to. So let's see what is there for you for the month of June. Okay, my beautiful Cancer people, let's see what's there for the month of June for you. Okay, so the reading that I'm going to do is going to cover up a lot of your professional life, okay, your business, your love life, your relationships, even your friends and family. Whatever is happening is going to give us a little bit of guidance. So it would guide you for the month of June. You can be alert if something is going to happen, if whatever the tarot is going to guide you. So you can just take a little bit of guidance for it, okay? But again, I'm telling you, please don't take decisions on a general reading. If you really feel that you're stuck up in something and you really want a solution out of it, then you can have a proper tarot reading sessions with me, okay? Like one-to-one session that would really guide you, okay? So let's see, Cancer, what's there for the month of June for you, okay? Let's open the card. Okay. Oh my. Okay. What is my Cancer people trying to do? Are you searching for someone? Okay, that's nice. Okay, overall it's a good card. Good card. Fine. Temperance. Tower. Okay, Tower is not a good card. Tower is not a good card. Okay, so fine, Cancer. So let's start your reading. So the first card what I'm getting is a Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is basically, many of our Cancer zodiac sign are going to, move ahead in their relationship. Some kind of offer is going to come for Cancer people regarding the relationship. Maybe a person who really likes you have never ever come and told you very openly. So this is the month of June that they are going to come forward, a cup full of emotions. Knight of Cups is arriving. If you're a female or any male is going to come towards you. If you're a male, any female who has been liking you from quite a long time, is going to come and open up their hearts in front of you. So the another card what I'm getting is Ten of Rods. So definitely my Cancer people are having a certain kind of burden in their life. Maybe it can be regarding the job, or there's a certain place like Cancer people have been working so hard all through their lifetime. So now ultimately sometimes they feel like it's a big burden for them to carry on like this. So they want a little bit of change in their life. So they want to have a very simple life with less of burden, with less of tensions. So maybe the month of June is, we are going to clarify this card, why this burden card is there for you. That's a 10 of rods. Why my Cancer people are carrying so much burden on their shoulders. So the next card is 5 of cups. 5 of cups is really shows that there are so many offers for my Cancer people to move ahead in life, but they are waiting for one particular moment, that they have their own choices, right? So they're waiting for one that particular moment where they can make a proper choice. So I don't know, a lot of opportunities, a lot of people are coming forward, whether you call it in a relationship, whether you call it in a work profile, maybe a lot of offers you're getting, but you're not satisfied the kind of offer what they're giving you. So you're waiting for one proper offer to come in your life. So definitely the juggling of the money is coming. Yes, the finance is there in your life, but you're juggling a lot. So month of June is also till maybe March, April, May was a little bit of juggling month for you with regarding the finance. Maybe a lot of other expenditure is coming up in your life. It's not that the money growth is not happening. Money growth is happening, but somewhere the money is not like staying for longer duration. So definitely a little bit of juggling with the money has come. Another card, that is the Sun card. This is a really beautiful card for my Cancer zodiac sign people, that they are, whatever you're doing, so don't give up hope in that. Please keep on working on that particular new venture, whatever you have started. So definitely some kind of good news are going to come from your work sector during this month of June. Some kind of good news, right? So your life after this is going to be a very stable and very happy. The month of June is going to be a full of happiness for you. You're going to see a lot of sunshines, right? So definitely the other card is 6 of Pentacles. 6 of Pentacles is basically a money growing card. So yes, Cancer zodiac sign people, I can see there is going to be a finance growth from the month of June onwards. So maybe end of June, a good finance growth is going to be there. If you're a married person, definitely some kind of like family wealth you are going to receive, maybe a gift, or maybe some kind of wealth in the form of money, or even as a gift you are going to receive a good amount of money. Okay, so there is some kind of finance growth. Yes, the other card is the Temperance card. So for my Cancer people, you people are really, like God has really blessed you with a lot of happiness in your life. Even though the problems are there, since you people are very intuitive, you can, you come to know beforehand like what is really going to happen in your life. So you are very intuitive. You can study people like anything. If you enter into a room where there are many people sitting around, you can easily make out, what is the scenario of that room. So you're very intuitive. So definitely for somewhere Cancer people, you have been always receive a blessing from God. Like no matter how hard the issue is there in your life, you always get a blessing and you try to come out of it. The angels really protect you from lot of like incidents in your life. You have a guardian angel beside who really protects you. Another card, that's a Tower card, which I am not very happy to receive this card. So for my Cancer people, you have to be very careful, because something that you have built up is going to come a crumbling down. So maybe any kind of business which was not doing really well, and you know that I have put a hand into something which I know the outcome is not going to be good. You knew it, but still you have put your heart and soul into it. So just be careful. From June or July onwards, there is going to be some kind of tower moment. Tower moment is crumbling down. Means maybe the business is not going to do that great. You might end up cancelling something. But anyway, I'm going to clarify this card, because the Tower card does not seem to be a very good card. So another card is the Moon card. Definitely the Moon card also tells you that you have to be ready for any kind of opportunities that's going to come into your life, whether you have to fight a battle with a lot of people around you to prove yourself, or you have to take your stand. So these kind of card is giving you a guidance that please be on your tiptoe what is happening around you. Okay, so the another card is the Page of Swords card. The Page of Swords card already shows that Cancer people have to fight a lot of incidents in the month of June, which is going to not be really a good like conversation, maybe some kind of arguments with your families, where you have to really show someone that what they're doing is wrong, and you have to shut them up. Okay, so let me just clarify, because I don't see any kind of, yes, the starting card was a Love card, that is a Knight of Cups. Okay, that's a beautiful card, but I want to just clarify 10 of Rods. I can see a lot of burden card for my Cancer zodiac sign people. Okay, you can also see What is my Cancer taking so much a burden on the shoulder? What is troubling you people so much? Let me just clarify what the card is. Okay, what is troubling you so much? The card has come. Okay, right. Okay. See, as I told you that you have been juggling with the finance part a lot from the month of March, April, May. But right now I can see that you are taking a burden in some amount of extra amount. Some extra expenditure has come into your life. So that is really making you a little bit burden. But don't worry, Cancer people. Like you are not going to this. Like whatever trouble you're going to is just temporary, because you are going to come out of it like a Empress. Empress is not just for the male. Empress is a very confident person, right? So it can also be with a male person. You are going to come out with a lot of confidence out of this finance. But as I told you that there is some kind of money growth in your card that is coming in the month of June. So some kind of or maybe a bonus, or maybe some kind of gift, some kind of financial support is coming. So that is going to lessen up your burden a lot. Okay, so whatever was troubling you, maybe you must have invested in such a thing that end of the month you're thinking like, how am I going to cover up all my expenditure? But you can be you just have to be very calm and tackle your problem some way or the other. You are going to get payouts where you will be able to come across all your burden of wealth. Okay, so the money is going to come. So the another card what I would like to clarify is the Tower card, which is not at all a good card for me, because crumbling down, so you make something and ultimately this crumbles down. It's not a good card. Okay, so let's see what is there. Okay, a lot of burden for my Cancer people month of June. Oh, okay, there's a nice card out here. So the Tower card, definitely I told you some kind of hot arguments with your family members, or even with your colleagues, or like wherever you work, maybe your boss or anyone, whoever is there, some kind of altercation is going to happen where you might think that everything is going to crumble down. But believe me, whenever there's a Tower movement, you should always think that okay, Tower is something you build up and it comes down crumbling, but at the end of the day it also gives you a beginning for something new. So for my Cancer people, like although there were a lot of burden on your shoulder, you're just fighting your battle to be in that position or to hang on with that business. But believe me, after this Tower movement comes, after everything comes out, you're going to fight your battle out and something new is going to happen, some kind of new beginning, whether you call it in a like in a business sector, in your job sector, or maybe some kind of new stuff is going to happen in your life. Okay, so some new beginning. So at the end of the day, even though the Tower is coming crumbling down, some kind of new beginning is the way you can see a growth in it, something that you really like to do and you really enjoy being in that profession. So these kind of card is coming here. So another card that I want to clarify is the Knight of Cups. So as I told you, Knight of Cups is also emotional card. Okay, so let's see who's coming forward. Okay, Pages of Wands. Right. Okay, Cancer, so as I told you, like the first card what you had was Knight of Cups, right? Knight of Cups is also indicates a lot of emotional, someone coming to you emotionally, maybe someone who wants to get attached to you in a relationship. Definitely, if it is a female, you are going to have a very wealthy person coming towards you, a person who is very stable, and they might end up proposing you. So some kind of very good proposal my Cancer, zodiac sign people are going to get. And if you are a male, you are going to get a female who is going to come forward and pour her heart out. That's a Queen of Pentacles. You can see that she's such a a beautiful character, right? Independent, she has a lot of stability in life. She has got wealth, she has got money. So someone, a very stable person is going to come forward in your life to give you a proposal to you. Maybe since my Cancer and zodiac sign people are so intuitive, they already know that this person likes me, or maybe you also like that person some way or the other. But the only thing is not happening is coming together and opening up your heart with each other. So this is a general reading. So as I'm repeatedly telling you people, if there's any person who are struggling in their life regarding the finance or work or whatever it is, you can have a personalized reading where the energies will speak only for yourself. So I have cleared out the card for the finance juggling, so I could see that lot of juggling. Okay, so for Cancer people, like I can see a lot of financial draining is happening. Okay, so maybe the money what you're earning is going somewhere that is not giving you a good return. So for you, the best thing what the card is telling you is, if some way, if you're feeling that that particular business or work is not going on well, and I have to entire time I have to put a lot of money in this business, a lot of extra income, I'm not being able to get some profit out of it. So the best thing for you would be like, just shut down that particular business or whatever it is which you feel is not good for you, and move ahead as fast as possible. Don't waste any more time in that business if it is not giving you a lot of profit. Otherwise, you people are going to face a lot of finance issue. Okay, so this is a red alert card for Cancerian people regarding some kind of investment where you're putting a lot of money but you're not seeing the outcome of that business. Maybe it has been a year, maybe it has been a 1.5 year where you are putting a lot of money into it, but the outcome is not there. So please, Cancer zodiac sign people, please get a personalized reading if some people are having this kind of issue and they want to get a clear idea, what am I supposed to do. So but in the general, even if you want to go by the general reading, just be very alert wherever you have spent your money, whatever you are doing. Make sure, just be very calculative and understand your business properly. No matter whoever you're supporting, maybe any of your family members have started a business where you are a part of it and you're spending a lot of money, you're putting your entire amount in that particular business. So be careful, be calculative, because the energies are just showing very clearly that you have to be alert. Otherwise, there is going to be a lot of finance juggling. Although there's a big amount of money that is going to come in the month of June, but this is not going to be a solution, because the one side you are going to have a flow of money and the other side the money is just going away, right? So you're putting that entire amount in a business that is not giving you a very good outcome. So anyway, my Cancer zodiac sign people, whatever I told you is like a new beginning in your life, a new person's entry, who's going to propose you, who's going to give you some kind of emotional proposal, right? They like you a lot. Is going to, these are for the Cancer people who are not married, right? So for the married people, definitely your married life is going to be okay. It's going to be a lot of balance. The only sector where you people are going to face a problem is the finance part. If you have already started a business that has been more than a year or so, is not doing well. So the card is clearly guiding you and telling you that please look into that matter. If you're going to, if you feel that is not doing well, then better shut it down. Otherwise, the business will get shut down on its own, because there is a major tower, a tower movement is there. So definitely, and don't be scared, what people are going to think about is ultimately you will be the person who's going to suffer if certain things doesn't work out. Okay, so this is what is the card for my Cancer people. Okay, so for many of the unmarried Cancer people, you have to understand there is a beautiful guidance of an angel on you. There is a blessing of angel on you. So you people will really do really well in your work and profile. Wherever you go, new jobs, new relationships. So a lot of good things are also going to happen in your life. Many of the Cancer people might end up something, a new thing, because you have started becoming very intuitive. As it is, a Cancer people are very intuitive. They can understand people very fast. Okay, so that is what Cancer. So you have to fight your battle a lot. After the Tower movement, there is a new beginning. So there's nothing to feel sad about what is going to happen next after the Tower movement. So Tower movement is just a part of a life, right? So June month is going to be really a mixture month for the zodiac sign of Cancer. So if some of the Cancerian people are having some kind of health issue, please see that you get yourself checked, and stay healthy. Start having a healthy lifestyle, because some kind of health issue is also showing in this card. So this is just an alert to you so that you take care of yourself. Okay, every individual should start doing a self-love. Self-love means taking care of yourself, doing some good exercises, doing some meditations, if you're under medications, visiting your doctors, doing some tests, whatever is required, just to stay fit and fine. Overall for Cancer, yes, it's a mixture card for you in the month of June. So whatever is going to happen, be ready, okay, to face and take whatever guidance the tarot is giving. Try to evaluate things as it comes and take your decision. I hope this tarot has given you a good guidance for the Cancer zodiac sign. So whatever resonates, please take that. And if you really feel that the tarot has guided you, is giving you a good kind of guidance, please hit a like button. You can see a button there. You can share it with your friends and family. Even if your zodiac sign does not fall under Cancer, maybe some other, but you might know some of your friends and family who falls under this zodiac sign. You can share with them. This is going to be a guidance for them, okay? So thank you so much for my Cancer zodiac sign people. I hope this tarot is going to help you to give you a guidance for the month of June, okay? Just be alert, just be very calm and wait, take decision very, properly. Okay, so take care, bye-bye, see you next time.